Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Gshade for The Sims 4. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, type gshade.org and press enter. When the website opens, look at the top menu and click on the Download tab. On the download page, find the Windows installer. Click on it and wait for the file to finish downloading. This may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If you see a security message, allow the installer to run. When the setup window appears, read the license agreement and accept it to continue. After that, look for the automatic path option. Click on the drop-down menu and select The Sims 4. This tells Gshade where your game is installed. When The Sims 4 is selected, click Next. Now, click on Install. The installation process will begin. This can take a little time, so wait until it finishes. Do not close the installer while it is working. When the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. You can now open Gshade to make sure it is working correctly. If it opens without errors, the installation was successful. That is it. Gshade is now installed, and you can start using shaders in The Sims 4 to improve how your game looks. Thanks for watching.